From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. Wow, wow, wow. I don't even know what to say. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call it the S&P mudslide, because that's what we're seeing. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1828.5 early in the day. The low came in at 1808 even late in the day. And last, we're 1810 even. We're down 17.1 handles. Ugh, whoosh. Total volume, 2.4 million minis trade and 4,000 big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had a whopping, and I mean whopping, the MIM was on fire today with this, 1.9 billion for sale. Wow. On Monday, we've got the retail sales number, we've got the business inventory number, and then we've got, and no, I don't want to say that. But what I was talking about with the pit bull was that what's going on here, remember the word ETFs? Well, the ETF selling is starting to cascade into other stocks and causing selling across the board. Now, this is a big thing, and people have worried about the ETFs for a long time. Now, the last thing I want to say is, look, Mondays have not been good, okay? But I want to say something. Whether I'm right on my day calls or I'm wrong on my day calls, it's really insequential, because you know what? Once the market opens up and the S&P starts moving back and forth like that, I'm like any trader. I get to change my tone. But this morning I did. I said sell the rallies, and it was right. The S&P continued down. Every rally was under pressure and resulted in a new low throughout the end of the day. Now, the big thing is what happens on Monday. You know, to tell you the truth, what happens on Sunday night should be the word. And what we're going to be looking at is to see if the S&Ps are down sharply on Sunday night. And if they are, there could be a possible low there. But you know what? This looks to be a little bit more official of a sell-off than we've seen lately. And I'm going to leave it like that. You know, the overall tone of the S&P right now is the premiums are stuck at sell program levels. When the S&P starts to short cover a little bit, generally those premiums will widen out, and then those offers above, if they're lifted, become buy programs in the futures. But we're not seeing that. The S&P starts rallying a little bit, or shorts covers, it gets at buy program levels, and then all of a sudden the imbalances start coming in and selling. It's almost like the algorithms know that when the S&P is getting close to a buy program, they come in and they just start selling in front of it. That said, we're going to leave it like that, and we will see you on Monday morning on the opening print.